Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2018 Shadow Cruiser ultralight travel trailer. This is a model 225RB. That stands for rear bath. It does have a slide out. It's laminated fiberglass. What else can we say? It's got the fiberglass cap, LED lights built right in, power hitch jack. It's got slam latch compartment doors with magnetic fasteners. No more of those little hinges that you accidentally forget about and break off. Huge compartment here. You can see the aluminum frame construction. These will accept the bigger coolers with this large cutout. Also, there's jacks on all four corners. We have power awning, outside speakers. There's also an LED light rope behind that awning. Alloy wheels. You can see the tires. They're like new. 3-step entry. Here's the model 225 RBS. Backside here we have our rear bumper, spare tire, nice curvature to the roof with extended downspouts so your water will run off and not streak down the sides. And the slide out here, nice big full extension slide. You can see it's got the lower support beams. If you leave that slide out for a long time, really give you a nice support base there. So let's take a look at the inside. Open her up, a couple steps inside, and here we are. First off, thing you're going to notice when you walk in, look at all this space here. Bonus storage. Closets, you can activity stuff, even pantry items if you want. It is a rear bath, but first let's just kind of take a look, absorb this floor plan in. One of the things that really stands out to me is all this counter space. For food prep, you got windows right here to see by to help you in low light conditions. Got a farmer style sink, 3-burner stove that does not appear to have been used, oven underneath, silverware drawers. Next to that we have all our controls right here in one nice easy to get to spot. Overhead there's pantry storage, there's a microwave, additional storage. Notice the hidden hinges too, rather than having the hinges on the outside, which are more vulnerable to break if you happen to put too much pressure on that door. Underneath, more storage. TV, flat panel TV, Furrion AM/FM CD DVD player, right across from a U-shaped boot dinette. Now this dinette does make into a bed, has windows all the way around, so it doubles as both a dinette and bonus room for extra guests sleeping. Queen size walk around bed. You have wardrobes on both sides. Overhead you can see we have reading lights, USB port, storage above that, power exhaust vent in the ceiling. Of course this is ducted AC throughout, so any climate's fine to go camping in this trailer. Dometic refrigerator freezer combination. And lastly, to the bathroom. It's an all-in-one. You've got the foot flush toilet, towel rack above, power exhaust vent, Neo style shower with the skylight above it, our sink, vanity mirror. It's a 2018. It's got a great floor plan, this Shadow Cruiser ultralight, and you can find it right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay. 1-800-824-4388. Give us a call today or see us on the web at www.gibbsrv.com.